Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Set on a hillside within a 37-hectare vineyard in Delaplane, Virginia, Blue Ridge House by Olson Kundig is a thoughtfully designed rural retreat that draws from the character of its namesake, the Blue Ridge Highlands. Positioned to embrace its expansive setting, the home is firmly rooted in the landscape while rising into the surrounding canopy. The material selection is deliberately elemental, a hallmark of Olson Kundig's work. Weathering Corten steel clads the exterior in a rust-tone patina, while concrete floors, exposed steel, and large-format glazing establish a robust yet refined palette that deepens the home's connection to its site.